Welcome back everyone, and in this video it's all about the high level security of file upload vulnerability. I have to move on high level, so I have already done that. You can just see here it is high level. We click on submit again, high level, and we'll just move to file upload. Now here let's view the source, and if you just view the source you will notice that this time it is checking the file extension. So it should be .jpg or .jpeg or .png. Okay, and it is even checking up the size and the upload temp and some things like that. So it is basically checking up the file extension. So let's rename our file to .jpg. jpeg. Press enter, and now this will just get converted into, okay, sorry, I forgot to add a dot there. Yeah, so now it has converted into a .jpeg file, and now we can just upload this up. Let's try to do that. Okay, browse, upload a, okay, sorry, and let's click on upload. Now you can see it was not uploaded. We can only save jpeg and png file, but we have uploaded a jpeg file. Then why it is not being uploaded? The thing is that it is even checking the content of the file. So if it is not a jpeg file in actual, it cannot be uploaded. Now what you can do is you can just download any jpeg file, just right click that and open with other program, open it with the text editor, just click on that. You will get a lot of codes there, and in the last line add this code. The second method, the second way, just add TIF98, and this will make the parser or this will make the website think that it is a jpeg file, because this code is from a jpeg file. This code validates that this is an image file, so it is checking the content of the file, and this code will make it assure that yes, this is a file. So just save it up. You can even download the image, just right click, open that in text editor, and just paste, sorry, I just opened that, and paste all of your PHP code right out here, this one in that, in the last line, or you can do this thing, GIF98. That is how you just added the code, and now let's go ahead and upload this up. So here we uploaded, and yes, it was successfully uploaded, but the problem is that it is a JPEG file now. If you try to access directly, you cannot. Let me show you. So here's the file path, and if I just press enter, it's not gonna work. The image cannot be displayed because it contains errors. So it should just try to connect as the backdoor should load, but it is not loading now. So in this case, we need to get some other vulnerability that will allow us to access this thing. Now there are many vulnerabilities possible, but in this case, we we assume that we have the command injection or the file inclusion. So I request you to see the command injection or file inclusion video, so that you can understand that with command injection you can rename this file from jpeg to .php, and with file inclusion you can just directly open this file and it will work. So these are the two vulnerabilities to be focused in this area, and you can basically use other vulnerabilities also to do this kind of work. Maybe some others can combine, but on high level you already know that not even a single, only single vulnerability cannot work. Let's assume that this site was properly configured high level security for file upload, but the site was not configured for file inclusion, or maybe it was configured for high level file inclusion, and actually I'm just going to do this on low security. So we have uploaded the file on high security, but you can even do this on high level file inclusion security if you have watched the videos, but that actually is gonna be a really long process. Just for the proof of concept, I'm going to do this on low level file inclusion vulnerability. So I'm just gonna show you that thing. Here page dot is equal to include.php, and here I'm just going to type in the path. Okay, and I'm actually going to type in the full path. So here I am, localhost, and let me just do it as http localhost / tvwa / hackable / upload / shell.jpg. Yeah, if I press enter, you can see now it is working perfectly fine. No socket found. So basically we have not started up listening. Here you can just do that, msf console, and just set up everything here and it should work. So on high level security, it is not like you can bypass the whole thing with just one command. You always need to, okay, let me just close this up. You always need to use a combination of commands. So I'm just gonna copy all the commands from here. Localhost, and I believe the port is left. Yeah, let's run the exploit. We are listening now, and let's try this out. So now it is connecting, and I believe we should have got, yeah, we have got a Meterpreter session here. You can just go ahead and check the help command, and you can just type shell in shell, and here you have got the shell of the it is just dropped into the system command shell. So you can do a lot of things from here, you already know, and you must get the Metasploit section covered for this thing, and you can do almost anything from this because it is a Metapreter session. I mean, yeah, you can do anything from here. But the point here is that to exploit a high level vulnerability, you need to exploit it from other vulnerabilities, as you have seen in almost all the high level vulnerabilities of these. So you cannot directly attack one thing, you need to take the help of other one. In command injection, you can just go right out here and you can just type in the command. You can just inject a code. Okay, it's not, I mean, why it's not connecting? Maybe there is something error, so I will just fix it up. So when working with command injection, you can just inject a command that will rename the file from .jpg to .php, and then you can just normally open the file. So that is how it works. So I'll see you in the next lecture, in next concepts, where we have a lot to learn, a lot to study. So thank you for watching.